What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from mgmclassicars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you this new arrival. Just got this car in 1964 Chevrolet Impala. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on this car. First off, I got it running, and it's a great sounding car. It's got a 350 air conditioning, which works. Runs great. Nice burgundy-ish, maybe I would call this burgundy paint. Pretty nice shape, shines nice. Got one tail light out. Oh, our picture plate is hanging down. Oh, well, let's take it off. Anyways, it's got SS badges and 409 badges. Obviously, doesn't have a 409 in it. Got the original hubcaps. Beautiful black interior, beautiful. I'm gonna give it a rev, then shut it down, go through the usual. Here inside, tack works. Pressure right there, temp, your volts. Let's go ahead and shut it off. I'll test what's working. Radio works. Got some good music on. Your heat and air conditioning works. Just takes a minute to kick on. I tested it earlier. Lights work except for what I showed you. The blinkers do work. Wipers work. They're just kind of tricky. They like to shut off when they wanna. So I'd give it a few seconds here and they'll shut off. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the car off anyway. 4-speed manual transmission, goes through gears very nicely. I drove this car, drives wonderful, horn inoperable. There's your vent there. Odometer reads 91,000 miles, probably true. Fuel gauge works, all your lights, clock. Your glove box, nothing in there. Dash is in good shape. Little bulged up here. Interior's gorgeous. Love it. Black bucket seats. How cool can you get? That's as cool as you're gonna get right there. Black with bucket seats. Come on. Now, look at this trunk. Look at how big it is. I already know what you guys are gonna say, so go ahead and say that. Pretty clean here in the trunk. You get your jack, quarter panels, everything's in good shape. Bumpers in good shape. Huge trunk. The paint, like I said, let's get down to the paint. It's got a few little chips that were touched up here and there. You could barely see them, but it presents itself extremely well. The body is really straight, gaps are straight. Doors open and close nicely. The car runs great. As you can see, the engine bay was redone at one time. I mean, this was a restored car, and whoever did it did a great job. I have underneath photos on the website. That hood just closes, and man, you got to kind of slam it, but very nice example of a 64 Impala rolling in my 6.4. So, come on out, everybody. Pick up the 64 Impala you always wanted. One of the coolest cars ever made, in my opinion. Let's put this key here in the door. Love this car. So come on out. We have special financing with great monthly payments, shipping all over the United States, open and closed, bonded and insured. We have a full service center for anything that needs to be addressed. Speak to your sales representative for a quote. They'll get you a service quote, but all of our cars are sold as is unless otherwise stated. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois. MGM Classic Cars. 250 cars. We own them. Stop on by. Phone number 847-848-1850. Again, 847-848-1850. Save us in your phone because you're going to be calling us soon. I guarantee it. So call us. Visit the website, mgmclassicars.com. Let's get you the car you always wanted. because we got something for you. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. All by appointment only. And remember, folks, this car sure looks good here, but look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks for watching. Mr. Jenkins and all the staff here at MGM Classic Cars really appreciates it. We get new cars in almost every day, so keep checking the YouTube channel and the website. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you soon at MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. Bye-bye, everyone.